Okay, we're carrying on taking this. I'm gonna take it off so I don't break it because there's a bolt right under there I can't get to. Take off this anus.
Right, take the whole airbox out. We might as well give it all a clean wash.
Yeah? Let's fucking do it.
Come on. Do it! Do it!
You can just pull all of it out, yeah.
Okay, that all been glued on there.
No glue in our shop, brother.
Bullshit. I don't fucking believe you.
Yeah, done.
We've got coffee delivery.
Oh, nice, good. She'll go and have coffee. Right, I'm gonna take it off of there.
Hang on,
The
hang on.
handles look like new.
What is?
The handles.
Yeah? How'd you do that?
Toothpaste, a toothbrush, and water.
Really? Well done, mates.
And a lot of scrubbing. This is your scrub. I'm not done yet, I'm only done.
Yeah, once I tried black, I never went back.
That's a mistake.
Is that book?
Look at that. All that oil in that in there. And you call it serviced?
Damn! I don't call it serviced. I'm the only one who ever looked at this car since I bought it for 2 years. Before then, it was in the garage for about 5 years.
You put it in the garage?
No, I bought it off the skeezer who had it in the garage. I was well lucky. I literally saw it like midnight. 500 quid. I thought, fuck, you know, mate. I said, if you sell it, that's it. Your house is getting burnt.